Creating a recording using Doceri is simple. Today we're going to use from my iPad alone. So when your screen opens up and you get the green hand, select the first option. The next screen shows you all of the videos that you have saved to your device and sample videos that were preloaded. Today we're going to use the plus sign at the bottom of the screen to start a new project. Select the iPad default size at the top of the list. You're now ready to start making your video. You'll notice that you have two screens, one on the bottom and one on top. The one on the bottom is where you're going to do all of your writing and other marks. The one on the top is going to show you what your final presentation will look like. So for example, if I draw on the bottom screen, it should automatically show up on the top, exactly what I've drawn on the bottom. The tools that you have available for use are the record button at the top, which you will use to record both your voice and your strokes. You have different backgrounds that you can choose from. You can insert pictures. You have 3 different stylus tips, so you have a pen, a marker, and a highlighter. You have several different automatic shapes that you can draw, such as a circle, a square, a line. You can also long press on all of these options to get more options. So for example, if I wanted to change the color of my pen from purple, I would long press on the pen, select blue, or whatever other color I wanted, and the next time I draw it'll be in my new color. If you need to erase, the tool at the very end that's black and white is an eraser. If you need to go back and undo what you've done, then you would hit the squiggle that is pointing backwards. If you'd like to redo what you just undid, you'll hit the squiggle pointing forward. And if you wanted to erase your whole screen, either to go on to the next step or because you made a mistake, you'll use the windshield wiper at the end to erase. Make sure when you're recording that you have either scripted or rehearsed what you're going to say, because you really only get one good shot at it. When you have finished your recording and you're happy with your presentation, you're going to click the record button at the top, and instead of hitting pause, you're going to hit stop, and that will take you to the next screen. This final screen shows all of the projects that you have. The most recent project will be the first, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on that project and you are going to drag it over to the share icon. One of the options under the share icon is to save to your camera roll, and that's where you need to put it for today's lesson.